how it happened was that I had concerts in Czech Republic in two different synagogues, 2 days, one after the other, and one was in Pilsen, and one was in Liberec, and because they were so close together, the concerts, I had this really powerful feeling after the second one, almost like a vision. I was on a bus and I kind of slumbered, and you're sleeping and you get this idea. So the idea came to me after the second concert on the bus, that the places are so unique and something is special about them that should be captured. And it goes beyond acoustics. It goes beyond what you can see. It's something that I felt I was connecting with when I sang in Pilsen, which is, actually this window is from Pilsen. The synagogue there, at the time it was not renovated. It was like this broken place where it's like you can see the paint is falling off everywhere. And inside it was pretty sad, dark. And when I sang there, I felt this kind of sadness. And I felt a certain kind of communication with the place. I don't want to talk like I'm speaking with the ghosts, but the communities that build these places and lived there and celebrated and did their simchas and did their davening in those places, everybody leaves something behind. It's in the air, it's in the walls, it's in something, it's there. And I came up with that idea, and then I was describing this idea actually to someone else, and he told me, yeah, of course, it's called Genius Loci, or Loci, I think. It's actually an old concept. Of course it is. You never come up with anything new. This is like in Roman times, they felt that exact same thing. They were saying, this Genius Loci, that each place, Loci must be a locus, local. So like the spirit of the place, that it's, somebody may say, well, it's just acoustics, but it's not. Like, it's way beyond that. It's an emotional, spiritual thing that you connect with, which has something to do with all the stuff that was brought in there and the people left behind. So I felt that I can capture this perhaps by recording in each of those places, in as many as I can do, and see if you can feel it from the place. I can bring it in there, and I can bring in there something that would have been there already at that time. Maybe I will sing a different melody, but those old liturgical, the sacred texts would have been the same. The text is always the same. So I'm bringing back the text, which would have been there, but I'm also adding my voice and new music to it very often, sometimes traditional, sometimes my own or other. And let's see how we can mix it together and capture this. So this is a recording where you have 12 synagogues, and really each song, using the same equipment, sounds so different. And again, as I say, it's not just acoustic. It's just something in the spirit of it. I'm pretty sure that you can pick up on that, particularly whatever that is. And it just felt so special. And it was a very transformative project, because I came out of it very connected, and so did everyone else. I had a dozen artists coming and doing various songs with me, because each one is different instrumentation too. So all those people that were involved, even down to the guide that was driving us around, who was not Jewish and didn't know a single thing about anything Jewish and have never been in a Jewish place before. And once we were done with this, like, his eyes were popping out of his head. Like, he felt the spirit so strongly of this and had a completely different feeling about all Jewish communities and the history. And I'm sure it changed him completely, So we were all like that. And so I feel that that's like such a huge thing I did. And actually, it was made into a documentary, which was broadcast on Czech TV, and I want to, as I said, I want to do one more. So this was 12 synagogues. I want to do another 12, preferably not renovated yet, because then you really feel what you feel. It's not new; it's the old stuff in there.